When you store your documents in OneDrive for Business, you get the benefit of secure cloud storage, and you can get to your files from any device at any time. Open File Explorer, and you'll see OneDrive, but it may not be set up for Office 365 yet. Right-click, choose Settings, and we see a personal account is set up. Let's add Office 365 for Business by choosing Add an Account. Type your work email address and sign in. Then password and sign in again. Choose Next. Choose which files to sync with OneDrive. Then Next. Then open My OneDrive. Take the tour and return to File Explorer. The easiest way to start using OneDrive is to save your work here instead of a folder on your computer. To move your files here, just drag and drop them from other folders, like your documents or desktop. After a few moments, the icon beside each file changes to a green check mark. This means the file is synced to the cloud with Office 365, and you can get to it from anywhere. You can also save work files to OneDrive from each Office app, like Word or Excel. Instead of saving to a folder on your computer, choose OneDrive. Give it a name, and save. When you save to OneDrive, you're the only one who can see your files. To share with others, open one of your documents and choose Share. Type the names of other employees you want to share with, so they can view and edit the document directly, and a message they'll see in the email. Then send. When sharing files with people outside the business, like one of your partners or customers, you might share it differently. Choose the sharing link. Disable editing and set an expiration. Then apply. Type their email address and a message they'll see in the email. Then send. The people you share with will get an email that looks like this. They can use it to open, view, or edit the document. To see that your files are in the cloud with Office 365, open your web browser and sign into office.com with your work email. Then choose OneDrive. And here you see the files you just created or moved to OneDrive. You can work with these files from here too. Create new files and share files with others. You can also work with these files on your phone now that they're stored in OneDrive. By storing your files in OneDrive and Office 365, you can get to them from anywhere and on any device without losing any work.